Hi everyone, my name is Masran Tamin. Today we are going to explore the consumer decision making process, which extends how individuals decide what products or services to buy. Understanding this process is critical for marketers because it helps them identify opportunity to influence customers' decision at each stage. The process generally involves several key stages: recognizing a need, searching for information, evaluating alternatives, making the purchase decision. By analyzing these stages, companies can design marketing strategies that guide consumers effectively from recognizing a need to completing a purchase. Let's go through each stage in detail. The first step in the consumer decision making process is understanding consumer needs. A consumer need can originate from internal factors such as hunger, thirst, or fatigue, boredom or desire for entertainment, or external factors such as advertising that creates awareness of a new product, influence from friends, family, or social media. For example, if someone is hungry, which is internal need, they may decide to buy a snack. But if they see a social media post promoting a new chocolate bar, it may trigger an external need they didn't have before. For marketers, understanding the sources of consumer needs help in targeting message effectively, whether it's tapping into existing needs or creating new ones. Once a need is recognized, consumer enter the information search stage. This can happen in two ways. First, active search, when consumer intentionally seek information. For example, reading online review, asking friend for recommendation, researching product comparison. Second, passive search, which is when consumer receive information without actively looking for it. For example, seeing an Instagram advertisement, watching a TV commercial, browsing a website and noticing product promotion. Marketers should ensure they are visible in both active and passive channels. For active search, companies can invest in SEO, blogs, or comparison tools. For passive search, strategies like social media ads, influencer marketing, and email campaigns are effective. These ensure that the brand capture attention no matter how the consumer is searching. After gathering information, consumer evaluate the alternative before making a choice. Common criteria consumer consider include: first, price. Is it affordable or perceived as good value? Second, quality. Does it meet performance expectation? Third, brand reputation. Is it trustworthy or popular? For example, when buying a smartphone, a consumer may compare price 2000 ringgit versus 2500 ringgit, features, battery life, and camera quality, brand, Apple versus Samsung. Understanding these evaluation criteria allow marketers to highlight the features that matter most in advertising and product messaging. This increases the likelihood that the consumer will select their brand. The final stage is the purchase decision, where the consumer actually decides whether to buy. This decision is heavily influenced by the information gathered and evaluated in the previous stages. Companies can enhance conversion rates by making the purchase process easy and convenient, providing clear product information and comparison, offering multiple payment and delivery options, ensuring a smooth and user-friendly online or offline buying experience. For example, an online retailer may use clear product image, detailed specification, and one-click checkout. A seamless experience can make the difference between a sale and a lost customers. To conclude, The consumer decision-making process helps marketers understand how and why consumers make purchase decisions. The key stages are understanding needs, which is recognizing internal and external factors, information search, both active and passive, evaluation of alternative, which is considering price, quality, and brand, purchase decision, which is converting interest into action. By understanding these stages, companies can target marketing effort more effectively, influence decision at the right time, improve conversion rates and customer satisfaction. In essence, mastering this process allows business to guide consumer from awareness to purchase, building stronger relationship and driving sales. That's all for this video. Thank you.